Hello. Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. The name to remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Rundel technology company. Yeah, so on today's episode, so I made a video about I am married. And then lots of people were commenting like I am married is a criminal, he's fraud, he's a thief, he's a beggar, and I don't know why. I don't know why people hate the guy. Because let me say something. If you're from a village, all your dreams are I want to develop my village. And if you don't have the source, what will you do? At least you have to seek for funds from some people to develop your village. So there's no way people will be like commenting on my DM that the guy is fraud, the guy is draining money from people, the guy is begging money and things. I don't know why people hate I am married. Like how? Because like if let's assume you had that opportunity, you would do more than that. Because like you're from a village and all your dreams is I want to do something to transform my village. And right now he have built something nice in his village. But people will not talk about that. I'm not here to defend someone or something like that. I'm not here to defend anyone. But the thing is, I don't know why people hate him. Maybe I don't know much about him. Yeah, but going to and I checked the comments. All the people were from Zimbabwe, Uganda, and Kenya. Yeah, I don't know why. Because like let's assume you had that opportunity to be this popular and trying to transform your village for people in there to feel, for people in there to enjoy. You go in for fans because you don't have the capital to do that. So all you need is you go in for fun to develop your country or develop your village, and that's what I am always doing. So he's not a beggar, because like if I had the opportunity to transform my village right now, I don't have the funds. So what I will do is to seek funds from people. So I've seen a lot of reacting to his video that the guy is beggar, the guy is fraud, the guy is this, the guy is that. And I was like, wow. And all these reactors are from Kenya. And I was like, wow. Like if the guy do something bad, I'm not saying you should not talk about it. But someone seeking for funds to develop his village is not begging, but he's doing some charity work in a village. And I know a lot of people in the village will benefit from this. I don't know why people are bashing the guy like this. If I made a video about this guy, I will see Uganda people or Kenya people like in my comment section saying the guy is fraud, and I'm fraud because I'm trying to promote the guy, but I'm promoting the guy for the good things he's doing for his village, because me too, I'm from a village. Yeah, so if I see some people doing some good things in their village, like I feel proud. You see that thing? Because like they are trying to transform some things. Like with Maya with Maya is trying to do much about Africa, but I don't know much about his village though. But he's trying to do much about Africa, projecting Africa to the world, to the map. You see that thing? So there's no way for us to like tag them that they are fraud. They are trying to drain money from people. They are trying to like, oh no. So to me, I know that like if you make name, you make money, people hate you. So with Maya, I know they hate you, but you're doing good things, and you have to continue the good things you are doing. And I support you 24/7. So with my shout outs to you. Yeah, and if you hate a guy, or if you know that he's begging you to try and beg and develop your village, I'm out.